Hi! So what we're doing is we are removing all the old caulk from around the windows. It's all cracked and filled with gunk and dirt and all that fun stuff. So we're removing it so that we can then clean and then re-caulk the whole thing on the outside and on the inside as well. So I'm using a caulk remover to help soften up the caulk so to make it a little easier to take it out with. We got a multi-use caulk tool, so it's like for removing and applying. So it makes it a little easier to then start scraping out with this guy. After we get it all out, then I'll scrape it again with a utility knife and do a little bit of sanding, nice and clean, before we then reapply the new caulk, which we're going to use actually just 100% silicone.
All right, so we thought we were going to just clean the old caulking here. We've been using that caulk remover, but it makes it really sticky. So we figured out that using a X-Acto knife works better than using this caulk removing tool. And we're gonna have to remove all the windows if we want to do a good job, because unless we take the window out, we won't be able to clean very well all the old caulking. So we're just going to remove it. I think this one is ready to be removed. So let's see what we got over here. There it is. There it is. We got the first window out. We're gonna clean all the edges. So you see it's really hard to work in the middle of these corners to remove this thing. And we're afraid we're gonna have a lot of furniture behind, and we're gonna build a wall all around where the studio and the sleeping area is going to be. And we don't want to have any surprises down the road. So we're gonna go all the way so that we can clean everything perfectly so that we don't have any leaks in the future. We got the window ready and clean. We started using this thing, but it wasn't working really well for us, so we decided to use mineral spirit to clean around the frame to get the excess. There's some very critical parts right here. There's a big hole right there, and if you don't seal this very well, you're gonna get water coming in. And actually this window was leaking, so we have to make sure that we put enough to cover all these areas right here, and put it along the line over here. And then we're gonna put the window, and then you seal the edges. Last one.
Mm-hmm.
Okie doke. We are done. Done with the windows.